So now let's see how we can work around with Guided Photomerge Exposure option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with Guided Photomerge Exposure option, you need to go around over here onto the Guided option right here. And once you go around over here onto the Guided option, you can go around onto the Photomerge tab right here. And then over here, you can see Photomerge Exposure is an option. So once you go around and then click right here, you can see that it tells you to select out 2 to 10 photos in the photo bin right here, and only it can use this option. After all, it's a photo merge option right here, so that you need more photos right here. It merges out the photos and then works around with the effects for it. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on open and then select out a photo that I have right here, just like this. And now I'm going to go around onto the guided mode right here. And once I go around onto the guided mode, I'm going to work around with the photo merge option. So once I go around over here under photo merge, you can see that photo merge exposure is an option. So I'm just going to go around and click right here. And then what happens is that now it analyzes the source images right here. That is both of the images, and then it merges out. So you can go around with the blending right here. So it blends out those two images, as you can see. And then you can change around the highlight of the photo right here. You can really go around and increase out the highlight or decrease out the highlight, as you can see. You can work around with the shadows right here and change around the shadow option right here. So you can decrease or increase out the shadow. And you can work around with the saturation of the photo over here, just like this as well. And this is the smart blending. You can go for simple blending over here as well, but with smart blending, you got more options right here. So once that is done, you can go around onto manual mode over here as well, and you can actually go around and bring in the photo right here, and then use the pencil tool right here, just like this over here. So this is what you have, and you can actually go around and then use this out right here, just like this. Just draw around, and that will be dropped out right there. So you can just go around and draw, and you can see that as I draw around, you can see that the photo gets merged out right there. Let me just go around onto the eraser tool and erase some of these things right here. Let me just go around onto the size right here and then erase these things right here, and let's see if we get the subject back right there. So once that is done, you can see that I can actually go around and erase out everything right here. So you can go around over here onto pencil tool and then just go around and bring in this. So let me just go around and bring in let's say, for example, this right here. And then I'm going to go around onto the pencil tool, and if I were to go around and start drawing, then you can see that I can get parts of image right there. Let me just go around right here and then just go around right here, and there you go. You can see that the photo merge takes place just like that. You can go around, draw around over here on the size and so forth right here, and that is what you have as well. So you have to be you have to experiment out on how this actually works out. And then you can go around and erase those things, of course, over there as well. So you can go around and throw out the strokes or so the regions over here as well, and work around with the opacity of them as well. You can go around over here on the S blending right here, and then align out the photo over here just like this as well. So once that is done, you can go around and then press next right here just like this, and then you have this, as you can see, you merge out the photos right here, so you can be more precise over here just like this as well. And that is how you can utilize the Guided Photomerge Exposure option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.